My name is Allison. I graduated from UC Irvine with my undergraduate degree in environmental engineering and am continuing in my PhD program, also in environmental engineering at UCI. As an undergraduate, I participated on research projects related to water contamination due to wildfires with a lab at my university, which I'm continuing with in my graduate career. So this is kind of what motivated me to get involved with the summer work experience program because I wanted to gain more diverse research experiences to broaden my perspective and skill set. And the SWEP program, as well as my host mentors, definitely helped me do this. So I was matched with my mentor, Dr. Lays Costa with UC Agriculture and Natural Resources, who connected me with Dr. Wayne Linklater of Cal State Sacramento and his work with Wild Horse Fire Brigade Ranch in Northern California, where I spent the duration of my work experience under the supervision of my on-site host, Bill and Michelle. While there, I was able to assist on research projects as well as help with experimental design and interviewing and overseeing of several undergraduate interns. So it was a really great variety of experiences to help build my leadership and research skills. The overall idea of the research projects was to investigate how wild horses may assist with wildfire mitigation. This included adding to the population inventory of the horses by identifying previously unidentified horses in the area, working with plant exclosures to compare how much fire fuel the horses ate throughout the season to control areas they were excluded from, and observing horse dung samples to identify the potential of wild horses to reseed the landscape they're on. There was a big learning curve when I first got there, though. I could not tell the horses apart. It honestly seemed kind of impossible. And every methodology or research we were doing was something that was actually new to me as well. But after about a week, I did start to get the hang of it, which gave me a great feeling of growth and accomplishment in my work. Anybody who's interested in experiences with wild horses, local flora, or wildfire research, I was really able to get all that range of experiences while I was there, which makes this program a really cool opportunity. It was also such a valuable wilderness living experience where I was able to learn more about the perspective of those living in rural areas and environmental justice communities. I've always valued sustainability, but experiencing the way you have to work hard for all your resources, I mean, water tanks have to be refilled regularly, you only have energy when you turn the generator on, etc. It really makes you build habits of conservation and truly value sustainable practices. Living in a rural area, I also saw how people are so impacted by any change to their environment. While I was working on site, we experienced a heat wave with no air conditioning and the threat of wildfire season with wildfire smoke from nearby areas that were on fire in Oregon, just north of us, creating very poor air quality at times. Proper precautions were, of course, taken to ensure a safe working environment, but it was really eye-opening to see how rural communities can be so vulnerable to environmental changes since they don't have the same resources and infrastructure that urban communities have. Overall, I'm so thankful that I was able to have the opportunity to work with all my mentors and have such a valuable experience at the Wild Horse Fire Brigade Ranch. And a big thank you to the UC Global Health Institute and SWEP coordinators for making it all possible. Thank you.